Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime.
Happy Saturday, guys. Happy weekend. I hope you had a fantastic work week. So today, I am just kicking off the morning. It's a little later than usual. It's about 8:30 right now, but I enjoyed my ability to sleep in because I don't get to do that during the work week. So today we have some fun activities planned, but also workout-wise, today is a pretty big day. It is the mark of the end of week 4, so I have now officially been working out 6 days a week, haven't skipped any days for 4 full weeks. I'm so excited. I'm starting to see results, which I absolutely love, and I'm gonna see how long I can stick with this. Obviously, I want it to be long-term, but things happen, so I'm gonna keep it up as long as I can, but I'm excited to have made this milestone. So it's gonna be a good day. Happy Saturday, guys. Here we are, nice and holiday festive. Hey guys, so it is legit hours later. It took me so long to get ready today, just to figure out my outfit and everything, and then I straightened my hair yesterday and then I tried to recurl it, so it took forever. It's already falling out, but we are getting ready to go to a cooking class. So we're doing one, I think it's called Napoli Culinary Academy. It's in kind of the Arden area of Sacramento. So I'm gonna show you guys my fit that I'm wearing for it. So I'm wearing this long sleeve swoop neck bodycon long sleeve shirt from Express. Literally their bodycon entire line is everything. And then this cute little coat, and it has little things that hang off. Super cute, I love it. I got this in I think November or December from Nordstrom Rack. And then Fendi belts. These jeans are the 711 from Levi, and they're the high-waisted skinny ankle. So we got, skinny ankle. And then I'm wearing my nude Steve Edelman heels. Last night I decided to finish editing and upload my video, and I woke up this morning and it said upload failed. It takes literally hours to upload, but I just restarted that process. We are at 1%. And then down here's the notification that it had failed. So frustrating. But for the cooking class, I'm not going to be bringing my camera, but I will be trying to take some clips for you guys on my phone. Here we go, Napoli Culinary Academy. You guys, we just got back from the cooking class, and Darren charmed the pants off of the entire staff there, including, or especially, the chef. They exchanged phone numbers, they're BFFs now, and they're sharing connections for different food things and stuff. And the chef even gifted us a fresh baguette from they made earlier this morning. The cooking class was so much fun though. I definitely think we're gonna do some other ones. I really wanna do the Indian, Middle Eastern food. I am so full. I have switched into sweats. I'm we need our Thanksgiving pants, guys. We need our Thanksgiving pants. Also, when we were driving on in, we saw that by our door, the aroma box came. If you guys did not see my last vlog, we decided that we wanted to elevate our space by doing a signature scent. So we found a website online. We ended up picking just one out of those, and It was white cashmere, which I think was from the Westin, but I know for sure it's called white cashmere. So let's unbox it, let's see it, and let's hope that it's as good as the sample was. We've got an excessive amount of packing peanuts here. Don't worry, I promise I will recycle them. All right guys, sorry that took me a second to open, so I thought I'd speed through that. So we have 2 of the candles, and they are the Flamingo White Cashmere. And then of the same scent, we have 2 of these, and these are the ones that you like put the reeds in little diffusers. So these we're gonna put in like bathrooms and stuff. And then we have 2 of the room sprays, also the same scent. So these we can just on like beds, furniture, things like that. And then I only unboxed 1, but we have a second one right here. And these are the actual like diffusers. So these are like the scented oil that is going to be diffused in these bad boys. Let's see, actually let me smell. Yes. Okay, I'm so happy that we bought this particular scent. Let me try. Yeah, it smells like fresh, it smells clean, it smells beautiful. So I'm really excited that we bought this one. And again, it is Flamingo's White Cashmere. So as you guys can see, the sun is setting. The sun is literally in my face, in my eyes. So I'm gonna let you guys go and I'll bring you back when we do something else. Okay, so to watch the sunset, we're gonna make drinks. I'm going to make a white linen. I got this recipe from the New York Times Cooking. Here, I'll bring you guys down so you can see. 1.5 ounces of Hendrick's gin. So we're gonna use this jigger. We've got 1. We've got 1.5. We need 1 ounce of lemon juice. I have fresh lemons, but I'm going to be lazy. And we're just going to use this. 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, 1/2 ounce, and 1/2 ounce of Germain's elderflower liqueur, 1/2 ounce. Okay, and then we need 3 slices of cucumber, and then we're gonna cut 1 for garnish. The way I do it is I stick them in there and then I use the little masher. Some ice here. We're gonna strain it. All right. And then we're gonna top it with a little tonic water. Quick little stir. Cucumber, and voila. So you can also put it over ice. I choose not to just because it takes me forever to finish just like 1 drink. So it's super watered down by the time I finish it if I put ice in it. But if you can drink yours fast or you like yours very cold, ice is the way to go. Hey guys, so I just changed white tee, basketball shorts, because it is time to give the pups their weekly bath. So they were actually due for their weekly bath yesterday. However, we were both super tired and it just wasn't happening, and then we kind of forgot. And then today, the pups just decided to lay in a puddle of mud. So now they're like stomachs, elbows, all coated in mud. So honestly, I'm kind of happy that we didn't give them a bath yesterday, because I would have been super annoyed if we gave them a bath and then basically immediately they decided to lay in a puddle of mud. Pups are nice and bathed. We towel dried them. Their grilled chicken is ready. Hi babies, look. Yeah, you're cute. And we've got Scooby-Doo playing for them. So after they finish their meal, they can enjoy their favorite show. Good morning and happy Sunday from me and my coffee. All right guys, I had to show you this. So when I woke up, so I'm heating to 67, but when I woke up, it was down here, I kid you not, it was like 56, 55 degrees inside when I woke up. People that live in snowy environments, how cold is your house when you wake up? I imagine it's like 30. Everyone's still sleeping. I'm catching up on some content from some of my
favorite YouTubers right now. I'm watching some of Morgan Yates. And on the TV, I have some coffee shop jazz. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but out the window in the coffee shop is the Eiffel Tower. Because we are craving going to Europe again, and this is just giving me all the feels. Hello again. It's a little bit later. We are ready to go. We're gonna head downtown to take the pups for a walk. So today I'm wearing this black knitted beanie, this Adidas striped sleeve little crop sweatshirt, and then I'm wearing the Express V-neck tank top bodycon bodysuit. It's the same collection as I was wearing yesterday, the long sleeve, just this one obviously a different cut, and absolutely love them. I wear them in a size small. And then I'm wearing these. These are the Crazy Yoga 7/8 like workout pants, but these are the ones with pockets. And then I'm wearing these little Puma white tennies. So before we go, I'm gonna take this Suja ginger shot. These ones actually don't taste too strong or anything. Like, they don't make you like, ugh. Yeah, these go down super smooth. All right, puppies are ready to go. We have them in their little Valentine's Day bandanas and their harnesses. Hi, Sadie girl. Are you dragging your little leash? Yeah. We just like tuck them in here so that they can walk around. So you can walk around ready to go, huh? So I have packed my bag. This is my Louis Vuitton bag I got when we were in Paris. And I have a clip-on little bowl for the pups. And then I always bring a gigantic bag of like jerky for the pups. That's like duck and chicken jerky. And then I bring 2 water bottles, one for me and Darren in case we get thirsty, and one for the pups to put in here. And then when it runs out, there are water fountains all throughout downtown. So we refill it. And then I always bring this thing. So this thing, the way it works is you press the button and it sends out this frequency that only the dogs hear, and they hate it. So as soon as you press that, they immediately like stop whatever bad behavior they're doing and like start behaving. So it's really nice when like we pass other dogs and they start like pulling because they want to go like say hi or sniff them or whatever. And so we just press this button, they immediately stop, and we'll just continue walking. So we just set out our diffusers. We put this one on this main table here. We put the other one over here kind of by the TV. So we're gonna see how the house smells when we get back. We got the pups ready to go. Hunter is done. Come on, you can't stop in every shady spot. Come on. Come on, we'll stop somewhere in like 2 blocks. Come on, good boy. Oh, he's trying to lay down. Look at him. Come on, Hunties. Good boy. Like being on camera. Where's City Girl? Oh, there you are. I am in the prime location
Hunties has come to visit me, and so has little Sadie girl.
So we're starting dinner here. We're watching Bull in the background. We've got our hot oil warming up right there, and we have our seasoned shrimp. We have our other ingredients prepped over there with my little prep chef, and I'll show you guys when we're done. Happy Monday morning from me and my coffee in the gym, getting things started how we always do. Just finished my workout. Today was one of the hardest days. I did not want to wake up. I honestly thought I was going to do the bare minimum, and I'm so proud of myself. I felt like I pushed it, really killed it. Happy Monday, guys. Let's go get ready for work and get after it today. So I forgot to update you guys, but when we came home yesterday, it smelled amazing. So we decided to hide this one in the corner of the stairs so that when you walk in, you don't see it, but you can smell it. And then the other one that we put over here, we ended up hiding behind our like wedding picture. And it's doing such a good job filling the space. So we have them on the home setting. So the home setting releases the most scent, and then office is a little less and car is less. Also, you can't knock these things over, so I don't even know why there's a car setting. I would not recommend putting this in a car, but it's a setting. And then, yeah, I think I showed you guys before, but you can set it for 3 hours, 6 hours, or 24 hours. So you can set it for short periods of time, so it just fills the space and then turns off. So we are really, really happy with this. Again, the scent that we got was white cashmere. Hey guys, so it's a bit later. I've just been working in my robe. It's been a pretty casual work morning. I didn't have to be on video or anything, so I didn't have to quite get dressed just yet. But the weekend is over, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Thank you guys again so much for watching. If you're enjoying these weekend in the life, day in the life, week in the life type videos, make sure you head over to my channel and check out the playlist. I've got a lot more where that came from. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on